Welcome to Mike's Geek House. It is a nice sunny Memorial Day. First up today is M326, followed by L301. And then I finally get to have video footage of Marquette Rail coming from Grand Rapids in Sparta, Michigan. So sit back and enjoy today's episode. Our first train of the day is CSX M326-29 coming out of Waverley Yard in Holland with leading engine 3034 and 5489. After catching footage of M326 in Holland, we are now in Granville ahead of M326 meeting up with them once again. I also apologize for the little blips that you hear. I tried this time getting my scanner to record into the camera so you could hear what happens out on the rail. Just shortly after M326 passed through Granville, I had looked behind me and noticed that the signal showed medium clear. That ends up being set up for L301-29 with leading engine 4070. Their destination will be off to Waverley Yard where they'll do some more switching for customers. I head out to Wyoming Yard and got this wonderful shot of 3 trains side by side. I do apologize for the beeping. I did not realize that the scanner's battery went dead, but you do get to hear the L303 contacting dispatch to get clearance to leave the yard to make their way down to Lansing.
SXRN train dispatcher Jacksonville, answering over.
L30329 with a CSXT 3457, ready to give you our markup.
Yes, sir, let's go with him.
Dispatcher bulletin 66319, our Dice on duty 1030, we got CSXT 3457 with 3,000 gallons, we got CSXT 299. We are 36 by 8, 4918 on the ton, 2748 on the length. We're not a key train, we only need a train to restrict our speed, we've got more than power to get us to our destination. We do have work at Lansing, ETC, CO are both up and running, calendar day as of now.
All right, sounds good. How much fuel you say is on those engines?
So we're 3,000 gallons on the 3457 and 2,800 on the 299.
Here we go. Everybody aboard?
Everybody's on board. We're here at Placer Creek on the even, ready to go.
There, and get your EC1 book out there.
We're at location milepost CG 2.0. DJ Dice is on the copy, over.
All right. And you're 630, huh?
Can you repeat that? I didn't get that.
You're not used to getting it right as soon as you leave there, huh? These, I'm just saying, you used to get these one this early. You guys wait till you get down with Lake Odessa before they give it to you.
Oh, there's somebody out there right now. That's what you're saying, over.
Oh, no, I'm talking about these other dispatchers here. These guys been on all this time and act like they don't know what they don't already.
Okay, yeah, we need it from Lake Odessa to Ensel. WAS Eastern Lake Odessa to EAS Ensel, over.
So EC1 number is 81259, 81259. On today's date, 05/29/23. CG 2.0, L30329, CSX 3457. DJ Dice on the copy. Circle line 1A, operator on the main track east. From the WAS East End Lake Odessa on the main to the EAS Ensel on the main track. Over.
Roger, got EC1 number 81259. 81259. Today's date 05/29/23. Location milepost CG 2.0 to the L30329 with CSXT 3457. Employee DJ Dice in the copy, circle line 1A may operate on the main track, east direction. WAS East End Lake Odessa main to the EAS Ensel main, over.
Good copy, 81259 is okay and effective. 1226 PLG, over.
81259 okay and effective at 1226. 1226 PLG, copied by DJ Dice, over.
Thank you, brother. Dispatcher.
Hey, okay to open up at Turner Street upon arrival, over.
After their briefing with the dispatcher, L303 is on their way. Sadly, we don't get to chase this train because Marquette Rail is just behind them, and that's the train that we need to see today. After a 45-minute drive, I finally arrive into Sparta, Michigan. This is where I got my first video footage of Marquette Rail. This will end our Memorial Day rail fanning. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. And as always, thank you for watching.